Sean Paul here, and thank you for stopping by at my channel. I just want to talk to you a little bit about my channel, but before we get started, I am in a beautiful setting here. This is a coffee farm in Honduras. I live in Honduras, and just over the mountain there is Guatemala. We just have a breathtaking view today. Sunny skies, just a beautiful place to be at. But I just wanted to share with you about my channel here so you know what to expect. About 3 years ago, I put on a video on how to build an aquaponics system, and to my amazement today, this video has almost over 1 million views. Never would have expected that. And then I wrote a step-by-step instructions on how to build an aquaponics system, and since then that book has been in over 75 countries around the world. Well, I'm going to ramp up things here. I love do-it-yourself type projects for home and garden, and I like watching videos, but I don't like watching these long drawn out videos. So what we're going to do is we're going to find some of the best projects for you. We're going to speed them up, slice and dice them so you can watch them quickly, and then if you like one particular video, we're going to give you the actual link to that YouTube video in the description, and then you can go directly to that do-it-yourself project. And then on top of that, we're going to be doing our own do-it-yourself projects for home and garden, but we're going to give you step-by-step instructions on each of those projects so you can download it for free and you can actually follow those step by step and build that particular project. Because I don't know about you, but I watch these videos and they might say, oh, you want to make it about this long, and you're like, well, how long do I make it? Or place it here, put it here, and they never really give you the actual instructions. We want to do that for you in our videos. And then we're going to be offering other type of videos as well, like new products that are coming out, where you can buy these products and so forth. So anyway, thank you for stopping by, thank you for subscribing, thank you for commenting, and thank you for giving a like on our videos and being a part of our channel. You have an amazing day.